ensure you have installed and activated both Academy LMS Free and Pro. Next, enable the Content Drip add-in from the add-ins menu in Academy LMS. Today, we're diving into the Content Drip feature of the Academy LMS. This feature helps you control when course content is released to your students. Now, a course where you want to drip content. Click Content Drip from Course Settings. Toggle and enable Content Drip, and you can see different content drip types like set a specific date for course content, make content available a certain number of days after enrollment, automatically unlock content in sequence, require completion of specific lessons before unlocking new ones. We can incorporate Content Drip into lessons, quizzes, assignments, and tutor bookings. Now let's implement Content Drip in our lessons. Open a lesson to drip content. Scroll a bit and you will find Content Drip settings. Set an unlocking date. Click on the Update lesson. Now let's set Content Drip to a quiz. Open a quiz. Go to the Quiz Settings option. Here you will find Content Drip settings. Set an unlocking date. Here's how we set Content Drip to schedule course content according to dates. However, I want to set course content available sequentially for this course. Now update your course to save all Content Drip settings. Once you select the course, you will see the Content Drips based on the settings you've chosen. And that's how you use the Content Drip feature in Academy LMS. If you found this helpful, comment and subscribe for more tutorials.